Oh shit. Oh, whoa, Mr. Plane Guy. Turn them wheels, Mr. Plane Guy, because we'll flip right over. We're off the ground. Coming off the ground. And we off the ground. That is Portland down there. Ooh. Oh man. I just got really lightheaded. Me too. Oh, so beautiful. Nope. That's right. How do you feel? Why? She's scared? Hey, you get lightheaded a little bit, Desiree? Can't hear anything. Look how big that is. Desiree Heath's first plane trip, and it's on a jet at all things. And she's crying because she's happy. It's so beautiful, she said.
She's never been in a plane.
Oh man, wish it was daytime. She would have loved it.
Oh wow.
Look at that. I know y'all can't see it like I can, but man, we up on the ground right now. We're not all the way up yet. Man, we up. Oh man, I hate when you get lightheaded. And your ears keep popping, you gotta keep swallowing. Oh, it's all shaky. I hate that feeling. Turning left pretty hard. Ooh. Shit.
This is turbulence.
Ah, man. Oh, shit. Show us like how far up we are. Actually, can't. Hey, we're here. We're gonna be on NBC. Hey, put on channel 2. That's what channel we're gonna be on. Sorry, I know I'm still recording this, but yeah, we're going up. I'm gonna stop the video once you reach High Peak. But shoot, man, on the way up. Oh, we're turning left again. We're taking a left turn. Oh, look at over there. Oh man, they got the good seat over there. I know y'all can't see it, but
So beautiful.
what's that? What?
That means we're in the air.
Well, obviously in the air. Damn, look at that shot.
See how we're
Man, that looks. Yeah, look at that, man. Wait till you hit New York. When you see New York, man, all the lights and stuff, you'll be like, you're gonna love it, bro. You're gonna love it, trust.
Ladies and gentlemen, please excuse this interruption. This aircraft is equipped with flyby or in-flight Wi-Fi service.